Welcome to this video on understanding overbought in technical analysis. In the next few minutes, we'll break down what overbought really means, how it is identified using key technical indicators, and how you can use this knowledge to improve your trading decisions. The term overbought refers to a situation in technical analysis where an asset's price has risen rapidly in a short period of time. This sharp price increase can make the asset appear overvalued and possibly due for a pullback or correction. In simple words, the buying momentum has been strong, but it might not be sustainable. It's a signal that the asset may be reaching an unsustainable high, though, importantly, it doesn't guarantee that a drop will occur right away. To identify whether an asset is overbought, traders use various technical indicators. The three most commonly used are RSI, or Relative Strength Index, where a reading above 70 typically signals overbought. Stochastic Oscillator, where readings above 80 suggest overbought levels. And Bollinger Bands, where the price touching or exceeding the upper band may indicate the asset is overbought. These tools help traders analyze whether an asset has been pushed too far, too fast, and whether a correction might be near. Let's take a closer look at RSI, the most widely used momentum indicator. RSI measures the recent strength of an asset's price movements on a scale of 0 to 100. When RSI goes above 70, it suggests the asset may be overbought. The closer the RSI is to 100, the stronger the overbought signal. Traders use RSI to identify whether the current upward trend is starting to weaken and whether it might be time to take profits or wait for a better entry. Here's a simple example. Imagine a stock that has been climbing steadily for several days. As buyers continue to push the price higher, the RSI crosses above 70. That's a signal the stock may be overbought. Shortly after, we notice a small pullback. The price begins to decline slightly as the buying pressure weakens. This doesn't always happen immediately, but it's a typical pattern seen in overbought setups. Another helpful tool is Bollinger Bands. They consist of three lines. The middle band is a moving average, and the upper and lower bands are standard deviations from that average. When the price touches or exceeds the upper band, it may signal that the asset is overbought. This doesn't mean it will crash, but it does suggest that the asset may be trading above its normal range and a reversal or pause might be on the horizon. Now, here's something important. Overbought does not mean the price will fall immediately. In fact, during strong bullish trends, assets can remain overbought for a long time. That's why it's risky to act on overbought readings alone. It's always better to confirm the signal with other indicators like trend lines, candlestick patterns, or trading volume. Relying on just one indicator can lead to false assumptions and mistimed trades. To sum up, don't trade based on RSI or any one indicator alone. Always use confirmation signals such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, or volume shifts. Remember, overbought doesn't equal a sell signal, it simply tells you to be cautious. These signals are especially useful for short-term or swing traders who are looking to avoid buying at the top. Overbought conditions should be treated as warnings, not commands. Use them as part of a broader strategy, not in isolation. Thank you for watching. We hope this video gave you a clear understanding of how overbought works in technical analysis.